you wanna roll with a good girl, do it big, do it all for a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. Don't sleep when you know you got a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. Wanna roll with a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. And I still keep it real, still treat you like I should. What's up?
Hey everybody, so today I will be washing and deep conditioning my hair. So I flat ironed my hair recently, so a couple weeks ago around Christmas time I flat ironed my hair, and it lasted me a really long time, for about 2 weeks, which has never lasted me this long before, so I'm excited about that. Now I'm about to wash my hair and then deep condition it, so I'm hoping it reverts back. I pray I don't have heat damage, you guys. Y'all know, if y'all saw my flat ironing video, which I will put a link in the description below to make sure you guys watch that, but one thing I was super nervous about was getting heat damage. So I'm gonna wash my hair today, deep condition it, and then show you guys what it looks like, show y'all my curl pattern, and I'm praying I don't have any heat damage, you guys, but I'm gonna show you guys the process for that, and like I said, I hope I don't have any heat damage. So let's get into the video. I'll be using 3 items for my deep conditioning process. So I will be using the As I Am Long and Luxe line as my conditioner, and then also a deep conditioning plastic cap, and then finally an electric deep conditioning cap that has 3 different settings, low, medium, and high, and I will be putting it on the high setting for my deep conditioning. So these are the 3 items that I will be using to deep condition my hair. So I'm gonna start by taking down my hair. I just got finished shampooing it, so this is what it looks like once I get finished shampooing it. So I'm about to apply a deep conditioner. So I'm gonna section it off into 4 different sections, once down the middle, and then once through the 4th. And then section it just a little bit more, and then start applying the water. So that bottle has nothing but water in it, water and coconut oil. And then I'm taking some of my conditioner and just putting it throughout my hair. So I like to go through it about 2 times just to make sure I really get enough conditioner in my hair. Then once I put the conditioner in, I like to just 2-strand twist it just to make sure it really kind of absorbs all the moisture that I just put in it. And then I move on to the next section and we repeat the same process, the water, then the conditioner, and then I'm just going to continue to apply the product throughout that strand. And then I like to unravel the first twist that I made and combine it with the new one that I just put the conditioner in. So I like to make it 1 large twist, and then I'm going to Bantu knot this section that I am currently twisting. So I'm just going to continue to just twist that section and then Bantu knot my hair, and this is in fast motion, so I'm about to slow it down and show it to you guys in slow motion. So this is how I do it in slow motion. Just wrap the twist around itself multiple times until you run out of hair. So that's how you do that. This is how it looks like once my whole hair is done. So I Bantu knot the whole hair. I put my plastic deep conditioning cap on, and then I put my electric deep conditioning cap on and turn it on the high setting. And then I'm going to wait for about 30 minutes and then rinse out the deep conditioner. So once my 30 minutes have passed, I'm going to power off my electric deep conditioning cap, take it off, and then take off my plastic cap, and then just start unraveling each Bantu knot, and then start taking down all of my twists. So this is how my hair is looking with all the products in it. I'm satisfied. My curls are still intact. So once I'm finished with this, I'm about to go and rinse out my deep condition and then see how it looks like afterwards. So you guys, this is how my hair looks like once I rinse out the deep conditioning, and my curls are back intact. My hair is still kinky curly, so I still have my 4B curls, and I'm super satisfied. I don't see any straight strands of hair, so that means no heat damage. So I'm going to style it and then come back and show you guys the end results. So like I said, no heat damage. Right, so I just got finished styling my hair. I just ended up doing a wash and go with the top ponytail, and then put some hair jewelry in my hair, sectioned my hair off into a few sections. So this is what it's looking like. So overall, my hair does not have any straight strands. It reverted back perfectly. There's no heat damage done to my hair. So I'm really satisfied with the result. I enjoyed having straight hair for a little bit just to change up my look, but I'm so glad to be back to my natural texture. And I'm excited to show you guys all the styles that I have in store for y'all throughout 2018. If you guys have any suggestions about any styles I should do, just make sure you guys leave a comment down below, and I'll make sure to try to do those styles for you guys. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Don't sleep when you know you got a good girl. One time, this is a song for